How to group tabs in Chrome on your Windows 11. Open the Google Chrome app on your device. Now you can see open the tab. Now tap on a right click on the new tab. Now here you can see add tab to new group. Tap on it. Now enter your group name. Here we select the social media. You can also choose a color like this. Choose the color you want to see. Here we select. Now enter the URL. Here we open Facebook. Now tap on a new tab. Enter your another profile you want to add on your group. Now tap on a right click on the tab. Add tab to group and select your group. You can also create a new group if you want to create new group. Here we select social media. Now tap on a social media. Now when you tap on a social media, you can see open both Facebook and Twitter at the same time. Tap on a folder. Here you can save group. Toggle on button to save group. Also add a new tab in a group. Here enter your another social media account you want to create. Now tap again social media or your group name. Now you can see minimize all your social media group. Tap on it to view all the available option. So quite easy. If you want to remove it, right click on it. Remove from group. You can also add tab to new group. Remove from a group. Now you can see open in another tab on your device. It will remove from your group. To remove group, right click on group. Tap on ungroup or a delete group. Also here move group to new window. Tap on a delete group. Now you can see remove the group and its tab on your device. So quite easy to create or organize group tab on your Windows 11 PC. That's it. If you like it, share it.